Welcome to another quick tutorial. In this video, you'll find out how to use the app offline mode or data saver mode in Instagram or YouTube. If you're not on a Wi-Fi connection and you're using your SIM data, this is how you can use the offline mode or data saver mode in order to save up your data. First of all, I'm going to show you how you can do it on Instagram. So just go onto your Instagram app and go onto your profile. You'll need to click on the three lines from the top right corner. Here what you'll need to do is just scroll down and go onto your app and media tab. Here from all the options, you would see the data usage and media quality option. Just go on to it. And now you'd see the use less data saver mode. You can toggle this option on so that videos won't load in advance to help you use less data. By doing this, you can easily turn on the data saver on your Instagram app. Now in order to do that on YouTube, let's switch over to YouTube. Once you're on your YouTube app, go on to the U option from the bottom right corner and go on to settings from the top right corner. In settings, you'll need to scroll down and go on to the video and audio preferences. Here you'd see the data saving option. In there, you would easily find out the data saving mode, which will automatically adjust the settings to save mobile data. You can also change other settings from here. Like in default settings, you can change the video quality, the download quality, smart download quality, and all the other options. By turning on the data saving mode, you can easily save up your data while using YouTube. And that is how you can easily use the offline mode or data saver on YouTube or Instagram. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video.